What's up, guys? It's your buddy AmRepDude499, and today I'm reacting to this Mack LEU GS Products Recycling Truck by IWS 15. I know I apologize almost every video, but now it's really starting to hit because he had requested this almost a year ago. Yeah, that's bad. Now, he requested me to react to this specific video more than any other ones because he figured us West Coast filmers probably didn't see too many of this type of truck. And I saw the thumbnail of it, and yeah, I've actually never seen one of these in my life. But of course, I haven't left the West Coast much in my life, just once or twice. And yeah, let's go ahead and watch this. I don't even think I've ever seen an advanced disposal truck, and I probably never will now that WM bought them out. Which makes me wonder what this would look like in WM paint. But anyways, let's go. It's always something that stutters in my voice, I swear to God. Alright, here we go. That thing just looks badass. Let's be honest here. I'm quite surprised they actually have two drivers in this. Of course, I don't know why I'm surprised, but I just am. I guess it makes sense. One guy drives and the other guy just dumps all the bins. It is technically manual collection after all. Okay, that's way faster than I thought. I've seen videos from George was here, the true OG filmer. There's a video he has of, I cannot for the life of me remember what those are called, but there's some type of recyclers, and they're slow as heck. So that was a pleasant surprise. They're slow as, the other ones are slow as heck, even with revving. I think they're a LEU model. Although, again, I'm really not sure. That'll throw the suspension on the truck around right there for you. You see it bouncing side to side there? Put a rock in the recycle. Sure looks like it. Yeah, because the dude isn't doing it manually. He totally won't catch that. Oh, don't run through the shot. Don't run through the shot. Don't run through the shot. Oh, it's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Damn it. I mean, you can't just ask people to not. There's nothing you can do except just keep filming when that happens. Sometimes it's really awkward, especially when they, like, stare at you. Maybe that's just me. Just sitting there filling the truck, and you just have people stare at you. So, like, smile. Hi! Come on, yeet it into the truck. Just yeah, there you go. Oh, come on. He got it. Yeah, the Packer's going to take a few cycles to get that box. Interesting replacement door. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, it's double-sided too. By double-sided, I mean it can be loaded from either side. That's probably not the correct term in the industry for it, but I don't care. The LEU, I'm looking at it right here. It's just... Oh, come on now. No, come on. Oh. Bruh. Oh, there we go. I was gonna say, if it took forever, I was gonna have to edit it. Yeah, like I was saying, staring at the MRU, I'm pretty sure most filmers will agree with me when I say that they like the LE better. The grill on this one, I mean, it's cool how it's shaped into an M for Mack, but other than that, it just doesn't look good. I'm sure it's a good chassis, you know, but it just doesn't look that great. I mean, since I've never worked on a truck, I'm not going to comment on it mechanically. Just what I hear from mechanics and all that. I can comment on looks, though, because I've seen a lot of trucks. Does that VIN say WM on it? If it does, that's odd, because this video is like almost a year old. Although, yeah, they bought... WM bought Advanced like 2 years ago. It just took forever to get the acquisition to go through fully. This is one heck of a setup that this dude's got here. He says, fuck it, I'll just dump it now. Also, shoot, I couldn't tell if I don't give a damn. Nobody's watching anyway. Alright. Yeah, this is a cool outro here. Let's see here. What do we got here? ACX Rapid Rail. I could probably go find one of those. Although, I don't know exactly where IWS 15 here lives, but it's somewhere where advanced services, that's for sure. Oh, look, there's the truck we just watched up in the top right. How about that? That was a good video. Not the most entertaining truck in the world, but it's definitely unique. Talk about badass looking. Look at that. Look at the Allied Waste truck in the bottom right. Holy cow. Oh, and the LE McNeilis rear loader. Heck yeah, man. Yeah, there's a lot of cool trucks on this little, I don't know what to call it. Maybe a patchwork that he made. Yeah, be sure to check out IWS 15's channel. I'll be sure to link it in the end screen, probably. That's if I remember it. Half of the time when I publish these videos, I put the end screens on it later. But I'll definitely be sure to link this video, the one I just watched, in the description, so that way you guys can check it out for yourself. And, yeah, be sure to check out IWS 15. He's got a lot of cool stuff on his channel.